my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. I post on my channels on Thursdays and Sundays, and today is an opening video. I got my Boxycharm for the month of January 2023, like 2 days ago, but I thought that this was the add-ons I did from December, or the chop drop order I did from December. I'm not sure what I thought this was, but it was my like extra products, not my actual box. And then I went on to my email, went into Boxycharm because normally it's here by now. I'm like just curious because I have this box sitting here bothering me. I want to open it with the other stuff. And then when I check, this box is my box. Supposedly, this is my January 2023 Boxycharm box. So we're gonna open this together, see what I got. If you are new to Boxycharm or my channel, you can always go check out my playlist. I'll leave some information in the description down below. And Boxycharm, just a little, they've been pretty good lately. Lately. Yeah. They're a monthly subscription box. You can get different tiers, but I just do the basic base box, monthly subscription box for beauty, skincare, hair care, nail care, lifestyle sometimes. It's kind of nice. I like it. So let's open this up, see what I got for January 2023. I hope it's something good. I do. As always, beautiful box on the outside, black with the white label, and we match today. That's kind of cute. I like that. Thanks, Boxycharm. And ooh, that would be the card that tells us a little bit about our month. Here is the box and a little bit of everything in here. I noticed this was kind of light. I was like, this is light and like not a lot of stuff in here. But that's okay. Oh, the monthly theme. The theme for the month of January 2023 is so fresh and so clean. Looks kind of nice. And then on the back of your little card insert that you get with every box, it tells you a little bit about the products you received, synopsis, and then the price of the items as well. So let's dig in. I wonder if this is an item that I chose, because you get to choose one item every month, and I always forget to like save mine to see which it is. And anyway, I'm just rambling at this point. Let me take a look here. So the first item in the box for January 2023 is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's the Dip Brow Gel. It's a waterproof formula that lasts 12 hours. $20. Oh, I think I did pick this. Here I am thinking like it's like a pomade or some kind of thing in a jar. No, it's this little cutie. I love this. Do I have? Yeah, I do. See, here's mine that I currently use. We're running almost on empty. Like, I hardly get any product anymore from there. But here it is. This is my product, and it's $20 even. I was like $22, $23. Great stuff. Really does keep your brows in place. I have to dry them, like fan them when I put it on, and don't put too much on because then we're just going into cake town. But you know what I mean. It's good stuff. You should try it. It's good stuff. Oh, that's it. Yeah. The next item, ooh, I love this brand, Touch and Soul. It's the PRETTYFILTER Waterful Glow Cream. $38. $38. It's a lightweight skin tightening cream that will keep you moisturized. Yeah, because it's, ooh, this is a cute box too. Hello. So this is from Touch and Soul. Keep you moisturized, hydrolyzed collagen and hyaluronic acid formula. All skin types, face cream, plumps, firms, youthful, all-day glow. Cool. $38. $38. The box is cute. I don't know if it's worth $38. It's pretty big. This is the biggest item I got in my box, by the way. So this is what gave it the heavy. I'm not going to say heavy because it's not heavy, so this is what gave it any weight in the box. Very cool. How do you use you? Tell me. Immediately plumps the skin. Cool. How to use. Apply it on the whole face as the last step of skincare and tap it in for absorption. Okay, cool. So this is truly skincare then. Once upon a time I got, oh, I don't know where it went to. I think it's in my bedroom. It was a glossy glow primer. I didn't read the primer part, and I was applying it at night like for 2 weeks straight and got like the tiniest little, not pimples or zits, but like bumps all over my skin. I couldn't figure out why, but my skin looked beautiful when I went to bed. And then after reading it more carefully, I found out it was indeed a primer, not a skincare product. But this, ooh, are we plastic? I was like, are we glass? Plastic. But that's still pretty cool. I love how pretty this looks. And look on the bottom, like you think, oh wow, it's such a big jar. I'm getting a lot, like filled side to side. No. Not exactly, but almost. It's cute though. I like it. I'm not going to open it right now because I'm in the middle of things. And you're good until, oh, 2025. I was like, until 2020. No, that's when it was manufactured. Yeah. Okay, cool. Thank you, Touch in Soul. Very cute. For $38. I'm just off with my numbers today, I tell you what. The next item is from Persona Cosmetics. It is an E-BALM tinted lip balm. Nope. Yes. Okay, so it's a lip balm. I do like lip balms. I can't stand glosses. Cool with lippy sticks and stuff like that. And lip balms, chapsticks are my BFF. Just in case you're wondering, you didn't know, totally my BFFs. So the Persona Cosmetics E-BALM tinted lip balm is $22 for a lip balm. In Manifest. $22. A sheer lightweight tinted lip balm packed with nourishing ingredients designed for feel-good comfort anytime, anywhere, and I need to see what you look like because there's no way. $2. Kind of nice looking. Oh. I like the shade though. Not really a smell. A little sweet. Is that really how you close? Do you... Oh. I mean, I don't want to be negative and say that's difficult to close or open. It lets you know that it's sealed. How much were you? $22. I'm gonna have to try. I have my Fenty lippy on right now, and I'm not taking this off because this looks beautiful. But you'll probably see me put it on in either my Instagram or Snapchat, so you should go check that out. I use all this stuff all the time, especially my lip balms. Ugh, all the time. Anyway, the next item is from LOVE+CRAFT+BEAUTY. It's a plasma gloss. Plasma gloss. Don't. It's a plasma gloss. Please don't be like the ColourPop little glossy thing. Oh my gosh. Don't. It's an all over iridescent bronze gold gloss. Okay. It's a multifunctional buildable gloss that adds a dewy, bronzy, iridescent glow to eyes, cheeks, and lips for $18, and it's a new launch item. Okay. I want to see what you look like. Because I have... oh gosh. I may or may not have destroyed the packaging. Oh, okay. So no, we look a little different. Okay. Quasar God. I like it. You can't see too much when I like shove it up in your face because it doesn't want to like focus, but that's okay. It's the tiniest little bit of product, but how much were you? Did you say $18? Yeah. Let me see. Let me see. Ooh. Sealed for my protection. Okay, I'll take it as is. There's not much product. Like, it's a big container. And it looks like they just took, you know how like when you butter something and then you have whatever's left on the butter or the mayonnaise or what have you, and you just kind of scrape it on the edge of the jar so it goes back in there, like your peanut butter, your jelly. That's what this looks like. But it looks pretty. And I'm a sucker for iridescent glows. Oh, let me tell you what. I once forced a birthday party on a poor little girl to be iridescent because I was obsessed. She didn't care, but I was obsessed. $18. The last item, I have not heard from this brand or heard of this brand, or heard from this brand, but I haven't heard of this brand. It is Beauty for Certain. It's a Perfect Collab. It looks like a lippy kit. Perfect Collab, $38. It says your Perfect Collab is here in an expertly matched pencil liner set. Oh, creamy, easy glide liners go on smooth and give you a long-lasting look with staying power. Now that's Beauty for Certain. Okay. Oh, so do you, I mean, I want to see the product now. I want to see the product, but, so is it just 2 liners? Okay, yeah, it looks like 2 liner. Oh, is one like a black and one's a silver? Copper? Bronze and navy. Navy and bronze tells you right there on the cute little pencils. Navy and bronze. For the how-to. Says use part 1 to define your eyes by gliding along the upper lash line, and then use part 2 to accent the inner corners and lower lash line. Sharpen with a standard cosmetic sharpener. For even longer lasting look that pops, start with your Lock It Down eyeshadow primer. Okay. So how do I know which one's number 1 and number 2? Do you? Oh, you do. Okay, so part 1 and part 2. So navy is 1, bronze is 2. So navy goes along my upper lash line. No, sorry, here. And then the bronze goes on the inner corner and lower lash line. Ooh. I'm not one for colorful looks like this, or, you know, as matchy-matchy as these are, but that sounds beautiful. She sounds hideous. That sounds really pretty, actually. I'm probably going to do that. I have some liner on right now, so no, I'm not going to put it. Had I known, sometimes I swear, like, I'm just going to start going and opening my Boxycharm with no makeup on, so I can just apply everything as I get it. Next month, I know I will, or I need to remind myself, because I did pick out a foundation for next month, and I want to try it immediately. Watch me forget. Easy peasy. Anyway, Perfect Collab liners, $38. Oh, Beauty for Certain, Perfect Collab liner. So this is Boxycharm, January 2023, and I feel like if this box is going to set the, don't you dare fall. If this box is going to set the mood for the year 2023, I think we're on a wonderful track right now where we are. Good stuff. I feel a lot of things. Is this box so fresh and so clean? Kinda. A little bit. Not a ton. I mean, I think it really just depends on what your definition of so fresh and so clean is. Because I feel like when I put on makeup and it looks good, my skincare underneath feels great, then I feel very fresh and clean. So sure, Boxycharm, I'll buy it. Sounds good. Did you guys get the same thing in your Boxycharm box for this month? I want to know. Let me know in the comments below, and I will catch you next time. Bye!